Question?
Actually, the persons are keeping their hands in one bag.
Yeah. What is that bag? Why they are keeping? I will explain. Me too also have the same bag. This is our Japamala. Okay, 108. And the very long, no, very big, no. So we cannot handle like that. So we have to keep a sacket, no. That's why we hold like this. I gave to that gentleman one mala. Yeah, that time also you saw. We kept like this. We chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Again, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So this is Kali Yuga, no? This is the only the remedy. Anybody can remain peacefully in any part of the world by chanting. Yeah, anybody. You can see the result. You go South Africa, you go South America, you go any Europe or any part of the world, people, those who are chanting this mantra, they remain joy and peaceful. You check it in YouTube. Yeah. So many. And so many Westerners and South Africans, they become sannyasis and gurus. They are teaching Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam.
They are also following out.
They are become gurus, Baba, not following. They are become gurus. For example, you are an educated man. What is your age? How old are you?
27.
27. If I pose a question, how many slokas in Bhagavad Gita? Can you answer? Gandhi Bomma. You don't know. You are an educated man, you are doing job. You don't know minimum? How many slokas? I am not asking, tell me the sloka or the meaning of the sloka. Just as a figure. You don't know. Not only you. Among 100 youngsters, 99 they don't know. Because they are not taught. They are not taught by parents, they are not taught by any elders, they are not taught by teachers. That's the pity of the country. If you pose this question like this to a Muslim boy, he will tell how many chapters in Quran. If you pose this question to a boy, some 7 years or 8 years old of Christian, how many books in the Bible, they will say. Because they are teaching, their parents, pastors, mullah. But here very pity, even though we have a lot of great epics, scriptures, we are not teaching. So, our Prabhupada, the founder of ISKCON, he, maybe can I show, if I get the photo, picture, I will show, I think.
In the card I have seen.
You seen that? Yeah, you seen that? He, yeah, maybe he. Prabhupada, our Paramaguru.
Okay.
He started a movement about Krishna in some 50 years ago in US.
This God is Krishna.
Yeah, Krishna only, yeah. Krishna. That is from East Godavari, Rally, that's called. So, now I felt I want to give this to you because it's very big. You are a kid in this way. So, you just take this, just 27. It take 2 minutes. 2 minutes. You say Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Morning after you take bath, just chant. 2 minutes. If you like, another. If you like, another. If you like, another. If you do 4 times, it's become 108. Just to keep on chanting. Keep on chanting. What is the meaning? What is the chanting purpose? Chanting is a process of cleaning. What is cleaning? Cheto Darpramajra. Cleaning our heart. When our heart gets cleansed, we remain peace and joy. Ultimately, we want that only. We are watching movie or we are going to any other play, anything for ultimate happy. But happiness never come outside. That narrates only Bhagavad Gita. I told you, this is my nephew.
Bhagavad Gita.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which you don't have, which you don't know. Actually, I'm taking this for my nephew.
Okay.
This is from Bundavan I brought. It's very cute.
Yeah.
Sloka and meaning.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, because I felt you are available. When I saw, what I say, you are good, you are Sattvic. Sattvic people can only understand Gita, not the Tamasic and Rajasic. Huh? Please chant. And read one line, I want to hear from you. After many,
After many births,
wonderful sloka, wonderful, you got it. Just like that. Yeah.
after many births, the person with self-knowledge surrenders to realizing that I am the cause of everything. Such a great soul is very rare.
See, I never opened willingly. Just I opened. This is the answer. Yeah, this cover.
Thank you.
So, please read and I will tell 2 points about chanting and about Gita to understand very easily. Please chant. Don't say can't. Can't means I cannot,
yeah.
I cannot. Please chant and don't say can't. If you chant, you will get whatever you want. Chanting will give everything. When you are peaceful, no? You can think positively, you can achieve anything. In a poetic way, I used to say, please chant, don't say can't. If you chant, you will get to whatever you want. Otherwise, in next life, you become an ant or elephant. And about Gita, I used to say, please read Gita. Please read Gita before becoming Tata. Gita only can change your Rata. Otherwise, life become a Rata. Understood? See, when we are young, I'm at the age of 22, I completed Bhagavad Gita.
Okay.
And I so many other books too. I like so much studying our scriptures. And I can sing so many, more than 1,000 songs in 5-6 languages. So, if you see, already you opened and you read after many births, only one get the knowledge. See, getting birth in this land of Bharata, India, is not an ordinary thing. Only fortunate will take birth on this land. Because this land is called Punya Bhumi, Jnana Bhumi. And you are from Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
You know Tiruvayur,
Oh.
Tyagaraja Swami. And great Alvars, all from Tamil Nadu. And great Nainas from Tamil Nadu. Great temples from Tamil Nadu. And a great person, you know, Kanyakumari went?
Oh.
What is the big statue? Tiruvallur. And every bus, city bus in Chennai and other cities too, there is a quotation of Tiruvallur. He's a great person. If we are not follow our ancestors and our previous acharyas, what is the use of taking birth? Correct? Why are world respecting us? Not because of the money.
Because of ethics or like that.
Yes. Not because just money, because of the many. Correct?
Yes.
We are not respected by because only Kohinoor. We are respected by our bhakti. We have Ramanujacharya from Tamil Nadu. We have Shankaracharya from Kerala. We have Madhvacharya from Karnataka. We have Annamacharya from Andhra. South is a great path for bhakti. That is our Shakti. But nowadays, very pity, very bad, our nowadays means youngsters, nothing they don't know about culture. They are living as they like. While I am coming from Vrindavan, Madura, some boy, he's a good boy, Satvik like you. He wore a jean pant, which is shown patches,
Oh.
like beggar. They are purchasing with toned. Why? Because passion. And I saw in a village some girls toned. Why? Where other countries are following our culture, why we are disrespectful? Out of passion, saying passion, it's not good. Our country is a land of dharma, land of punya, land of karma. It's called Deva Bhumi, Punya Bhumi, Dharma Bhumi, Karma Bhumi, Jnana Bhumi, Rishi Bhumi, Tapo Bhumi. You know Hindi?
Yeah.
You can follow.
Yes, sir.
चंदन है इस देश की माटी, तपो भूमि हर गाँव है, हर बाला देवी की प्रतिमा, बच्चा बच्चा राम है. Me? Every boy is a Ram, every girl is Devi, every village is Tapobhumi, and here mud itself is a Chandana, sandalwood. हर शरीर मंदिर सा पावन. Every body is sacred because we consider this body is as good as temple. When you felt this is the temple, you never become sinful. You lead your life like simple. Correct?
Yes, sir.
जीवन का आदर्श यहाँ परमेश्वर का धाम है, बच्चा बच्चा राम है. This is rhythm of the life. We should be happy. Why? We have right to be happy. But we should not search this happiness from outside.
Yeah, correct.
Like there is a joke. You sit there or here. there is a joke. One person is going on. One person is searching for a what's called ring, gold ring. He is some known person to the rest of the village. Sir, Aigaru, what happened? Sir, I lost my ring, gold ring. So I am searching. So out of respect, they are also joined with it. They search a lot of time. They never find it. One boy, intelligent like you, he asked him, sir, where you lost your ring, golden ring? Then he replied, I lost in that street. Then why you are searching here? Because there is no light. Here light is there, that's why I am looking. Will you get that?
Yes, sir.
No.
There is this street will not. The street.
Correct, na? Of course, here light is there. But you lost your ring there. How you can search and get it here? Ridiculous, no? Like that. Our happiness is already there inside. But we are searching outside. Arey mama, let's go movie. Ennai Kadalan. No. It's a great saints are shown the path. You read please about Ramanuja. There is one person, name is Dhanut Dasu. He is very fond of his wife. And you know, he took an umbrella and he walked back. Supposed to walk like this now. He walked like this. Why? He hold the umbrella to his wife and he is walking back. Why? Because he felt his wife should not get the sun and he want to see the beautiful eyes of his wife. Too mad, na? Too attracted, na? Too attracted. Na? So Ramanujacharya found why this guy is behave like this. And he asked why. So I never see such a beautiful eyes like my wife eyes. Then Ramanujacharya says, I will show the beautiful eyes which you never ever see. Can you come? Then he agreed. And he come to the particular time to Ranganath temple. Have you been? Srirangam? Very beautiful, no? Rangapura Vihara Srirangapura Vihara. The biggest temple in India, you know that? Jaya Kodanda Ramavatara Raghuvira Srirangapura Vihara. So he went there. So Ramanujacharya showed, see, beautiful eyes of Ranganatha. Then he immersed himself and he surrendered to Ramanujacharya. He became a very great devotee and a great disciple of Ramanujacharya. Because I heard while I am coming, the driver also is a devotee. He said about one incident happened some 40 years ago. So Prabhupada, our founder, Prabhupada, I shown you, no? So he and his disciples coming in a flight. One of boy among them, because they are foreigners, he's watching air host. That air host, they are wearing in different way, looks gorgeous, beautiful, no? Then Prabhupada went to very close to him in his ears. Very beautiful, no, air host. This boy gets stuck. Then Prabhupada says, if the creation is very beautiful, how creator is very beautiful. So Krishna is the ultimate beauty. There is one sloka about beautiness of Krishna. Venum kvananta maravinda dalaya taksham parahavatam samasitam buddha sundarangam kandarpakoti kamaniya vishesha sobham govindamadi purusham tamaham bhajami. The Lord with Venu, Murali, flute, and his eyes like lotus petal, and his beautiness is giving competition to thousands of cupids. Venu Kvananta Maravinda Dalaya Taksham, and he wear peacock feather. That beautiful Syama Sundara stands in Tribanga. You know how Krishna stands. That beautiful Lord, the primal Lord and the supreme Lord, I bow down to him as son will do. Because Krishna, in one word Prabhupada says, in one line, Jesus says, I'm son of God. And Muhammad says, I'm the messenger of God. Krishna says, I'm the supreme God. Very simple. He said, Matta Paratarananda Kinchidasta Dhananjaya. Give me the book, Bhagavad Gita. I will just. Matta Paratarananda Kinchidasta Dhananjaya. Mai Sarvamedam Protam Sutre Maniganayava. Chapter 7. I think, yes, this is 6. Chapter 7. 7. I'm not getting how to get this. Yeah, anyhow, I tell the meaning, you find that. Krishna says, there is no equal to me. There is no higher than me. I am the Supreme Lord. And Krishna claimed himself, that's okay. But it is accepted by great Vyasa, Narada, Arjuna, Bhishma, and so many other great saints. If you claim yourself, or I claim myself as God, who will accept? Maybe some fools may be accept. But Krishna says, I am the Supreme Lord. And accepted by great. And even today, he is worshipped around the world. So, we are so fortunate. No doubt. Because we took birth where our great Ramanuja, Madhvacharya, Shankaracharya, Annamacharya, great saints born in such a great land. So our minimum prime responsibility, what we should follow, what they taught, what they teach. How we will follow unless we know? How we will get know? How we come to know? By hearing and by reading. I request you, do two things. Chant Hare Krishna mantra every day. I gave a small mala, 4 rounds. means one not 8. Just 8 minutes or 10 minutes, peacefully, joyfully. You will see the result. And read Bhagavad Gita. Slowly, Krishna will give you the path. You will come to know the truth. Ultimate, our job is to, you know Kannada? No. In Kannada there is a saying, Alli the nammane illibandu sommane. Means what? My home is there. I come just like this. For example, we sat here, you sat here. You will get down. I get down after a few minutes, and you will get down early morning. We are not going to stay. Correct? For a few hours only we pay. Not ultimate stay. The ultimate is we must realize this is a clay. It's a mud. Who will realize? Who had the head? But those who have mud in the head, they never realize this is the mud. Aham Brahmasmi. We are eternal. So Bhagavad Gita teaches that. And when we realize, we remain peaceful. We never fight. We never disturb. These two things only. Chant Hare Krishna and read Gita. We will give you everything. And whenever you come to Tirupati, you can call me.
Okay.
I give you coordinates, small call?
Yes.
Huh? Maybe kept inside. You can call me. And if you can understand Telugu, you can watch my videos. Huh? Any doubt also you can call me. I want to give a big book, but I didn't get. I gave to someone. Huh? Please, very happy. Hare Krishna. Thank you. Very one. You clarify your doubt. Very good doubt. You know meaning of your name? You must know. Ashok. Your name is mentioned in the Vishnu Sahasranama. Ashoka Stharana. Ashoka means the person who don't have soka. Soka means who never lament.
Okay.
Very good name, no?
Yeah.
Your pants given. Okay, they named very nicely. And you are keeping that. Correct? You are a Sattvic. So, and very easy to understand Krishna consciousness when you remain Sattvic. You have that. You're lucky. Hare Krishna. But one more blessing for you. You know this what? You don't know. I have to tell you. This is the toothbrush of Lord Jagannatha
Okay.
from Puri. So, when you visit Puri, the pujaris, they have these sticks and they bless like our Shatagopa. Jai Jagannath. Nana, one more prasada, just wait. I want to give. While you go outside, keep this bottu. Okay? And one more thing, just wait. I think, yeah, I have here. This is from Vrindavan. That is from Puri and different places. Krishna. Unda idi? I think yes. Or a pen idi? Pen unde. Idi leda? Okay. Okay, I think I kept here somewhere. Okay. Thank you. If I get that, yeah, 1 minute, I'll get. I kept, yes. This is from Mayapur. You know Mayapur? You don't know. That's from Bengal. Now you got prasadam from Vrindavan, UP, and you got blessing from Jagannath from Orissa, and you get Bhagavad Gita from Vrindavan, and this prasadam from Mayapur, Bengal. Okay, smell it. This is Abhisheka Taila of Lord Narsimha. Very powerful. Given by my Guru Maharaj. Please, you are blessed. Nana? Hare Krishna. Thank you. Hare Krishna.